I represent Prakriti. We are NGO and we work with rural women in Maharashtra. With Makam Network, we recently participated in a survey which was about to know the impact of lockdown on women farmers and women farm laborers. So through this survey, we could reach to about 100 women spread in 20 villages of our project area. And by collecting information through this survey, we came to know that women were in dire need of employment, but they were neither aware of this employment guarantee scheme, nor do they have the job cards. This National Employment Guarantee Scheme is a scheme which gives guarantee of at least 100 days of employment in a year in rural India. So we decided to help these women to get their job cards. So initially we prepared a list of such women, and our list was about 130 women. These were single women and widow women who were in need of jobs, but they didn't have the job cards. Then after preparing the list, as a first step, we sent this list to the district unit of this employment guarantee scheme in our district, and the district unit in turn sent that list to the block office. And the block office, after receiving the list, instead of verifying the data or the names with their village counterparts, they called us and they asked us why didn't we contact them, why did we reach to the district unit first. Anyways, we asked for their cooperation and an early action. On the other hand, we also contacted the village unit. The village unit comprises of a Rozgar Sevak, which is a village level supervisor. He supervises the work under the employment guarantee, and he also issues the job card, and he also maintains the muster. So we thought that it will take more time for the block unit and the village unit to issue the job cards. So we decided to contact each woman from our list. We explained the scheme, and we also motivated them to collect their documents and submit to the village unit of this Rozgar Sevak. So our volunteers collected the documents and from these women, and we gave it to the Rozgar Sevak. And this Rozgar Sevak, means the village level unit of this employment guarantee scheme, was not very keen on making the job cards. He was like, women are not ready to work, so why we are motivating so many women, why we want so many job cards. But we explained that women were in need of job cards, and thus after meeting with the village unit, persuading the block level officers, meeting with the district unit, finally today about 80 women got the job cards. On the other hand, when we contacted women, so they said that they don't want to work in the employment guarantee scheme. So after making so much of efforts, this response from women was not expected. So we asked why. So they said working under employment guarantee is not as dignified as working in the farm. They thought that under employment guarantee it is only digging work and quarry work. So we explained that it is not only digging and quarry, but there are other works also, and they can definitely work under the employment guarantee scheme, and they will get better wages. So after motivating women and contacting the village unit and the block unit, finally women started working under the scheme. Since we simultaneously worked at all levels, right from the women to the village to the block and the district unit, the results were fast, and now today women are working under this scheme. So when we asked the women working under the scheme, how do they feel? So they said they are very happy because the wages are better, and working in the farm does not give them any recognition, but working under employment scheme gives them recognition, as they have a job card, their name is enrolled in the muster, their wages are deposited in the bank accounts. So it has given them a recognition and some importance and visibility, which is very important. And now I heard women saying that they are happy to work 365 days under this employment scheme. So I thank Makam to initiate this process of conducting survey and collecting such vital information, and also continuously advocating the need to implement these